I've mentioned many of my favorite apps before, and I have mentioned Notion, but I haven't gone in depth in terms of what it can do and why I like using it so much. So today I thought I would share. First off, Notion is available for both Mac and Windows, and you can simply download it onto your computer by searching up Notion Download. You can also download the app onto your iPhone or iPad by searching for it in the App Store. It is completely free to download on all devices. Secondly, I want to go through the different plans it includes. The personal plan is completely free, and here you can see what the plan comes with. To have the personal pro plan, you will have to pay $4 a month, or if you're a student, you can get it for free by signing up with your school email. Here I'm just opening a new page, and I usually prefer that font and with small text and a full width page. You can name it whatever you would like, and here you would write your title. After you're done with your title, you can choose an emoji as your icon to represent what your note is talking about. This is a fun way to stay organized. You can also choose a background for your note as well, but I usually prefer to keep it blank, but you can add whatever you would like. Once you open up a new page, to use all the different features, all you have to do is press the / key and it'll come up with a bunch of things you can do. Okay, let's get more into what I use this app for. First off, I like to use Notion to write all of my scripts for my videos. I prefer Notion over Google Docs because it has many more features to choose from. My scripts usually look something like this, and the bottom will always have the tags I put for the video and the title I chose for the video. I also used Notion during online school because it kept me on top of assignments that I had to do. I had a toggle for every single week, and inside I would have toggles for each subject. After that, I would have a checklist for each subject of the assignments that I had to finish. This kept me extremely organized. I don't know the extent that I'll be using this in this upcoming September school year because I am going back to school. But if I were to do any online work, this format would be the one that I would use. Another feature I use a lot in Notion is the charts that it comes with. Here I have a chart that I created for the lads that I have emailed, and each section is a different feature I can use to organize the information I have received. I also use Notion a lot to write down my daily tasks and different things that I had to complete in a certain day. Here you can see the days I have written down, and each day is just a simple checklist. I stopped doing this once I got my iPad because I began to write on there instead, but this is also a great way to stay productive and finish the things you have to get done. Something that's great is that you can share notes with other Notion users, and that way you can edit a page at the same time. Very similar to Google Docs. Okay, now I can talk about some of the shortcuts. I know that sometimes it can be a bit annoying and time-consuming to hit the / key every time you want to add something onto your page, so there's a shortcut. On Mac, you just press Option, Command, and a number key. Each number corresponds to a certain task. For example, 7 is the toggle feature, and 4 is the checklist feature. I know that 4 and 7 are the checklist and toggle feature because those are the ones that I use the most. This shortcut makes it super quick and easy to use. Embedding pages inside another page is also super easy. All you have to do is drag it in like this. I use this a lot for my daily tasks, and I also use it every time I create a new script for my YouTube videos, so that it can just fall under the YouTube videos category instead of being scattered around everywhere. Notion also comes with many templates you can choose from, and they can be really useful if you would rather use a template instead of creating a page of your own. I've tried so many of these templates, but I still haven't even gone through all of them because there are so many. But I do know that I plan on using the grade calculator when school starts. That's honestly a really brief summary of what Notion can do, and there's so much more to show, but I haven't gotten to use this app to its full extent yet, and I can't wait to see what more I find out about this app, and maybe I can share for a part 2.